Dear students, now in this video we are going to learn about information transfer. Information transfer is an important skill in English language. So in this activity, we have to transfer one type of information to another. Yes, according to the new SSC board paper pattern, this activity of information transfer is asked for 5 marks in question 6A. Now you know the meaning of information transfer. Transferring information, one type of information into another type is called information transfer. So tell me, what are the types of information here? Obviously, of course, there are two types of information. One is verbal information and the other is non-verbal information. So first of all, tell me, what is non-verbal information? Yes, the information which is given in the form of tree diagram, chart, web diagram, statistical information, pie chart or graph, etc. is called as non-verbal information. Okay, got it? Now, on the contrary, what is verbal information? Exactly. The information that is given in the form of written paragraphs is called a verbal information. Verbal information is in the form of words. It is written in the form of paragraph. So, when a paragraph is given, we have to transfer that paragraph into some web chart or any pie chart or any other non-verbal device. Okay. And when the information is given in non-verbal type, we have to transfer that information into verbal type, means into a paragraph. So to understand it better, let's take an example. Okay, are you ready? Now, to explain this better and to understand this topic better, let us take an example. Here, how we can see, here the information is given in web diagram. And you can see in this web diagram, some points are given. In the center, which word is written? Friend. That means this information is about friend. It is about friendship. And all the other points are about the friend or friendship. So with the help of these points, we have to develop a short paragraph. Okay. So let's develop a short paragraph. Let's see how we can write the answer to such question. Okay. So first of all, in answer, we have to write a heading. Heading is very important. Heading should be proper and suitable. It has marks. Okay. So let's give the heading here, qualities of a good friend. So let's see the answer. A good friend is not always the end. It is the beginning, middle, and the end of all. A friend is not just a companion, but a caretaker too. He or she possesses many good qualities like truthfulness, honesty, sincerity, and carefulness. A good friend does not get you in problems or troubles. He or she always remains with you either in happiness or grief. He always boosts your confidence. Whenever you get discouraged, he increases your confidence level. If you are in trouble, he tries his best to bring you out from that situation. He does not allow you to be on wrong path. If you try to go on the bad way, he or she alerts you not to go. He always takes the side of truth. A good friend is very honest and sincere. He never lies at all. There are many roles played by a good friend. A good friend teaches us manners like our parents. He or she helps in our studies like our teachers. He or she always stands by you in times of need. A good friend is your well wisher. He or she thinks about your goodness. Hence, it is said that a friend in need is a friend indeed. So, in this way, we can write a short paragraph by using each and every point given the non-verbal information. Okay, did you get it? So, this is only the example. This is only to understand the concept of information transfer, how to transfer non-verbal information into a verbal information. Okay, that's one example. Now let's take another example of here. Let's take a paragraph. Here, one paragraph is given, and we have to transfer that paragraph into a non-verbal information. For example, let's read this paragraph. This is qualities of a social worker. So, pay attention to him. A social worker is called so as he or she always works for the welfare of society. A social worker leads a simple and selfless life. He or she wants the people from different strata to be prosperous and disciplined. He or she has many praiseworthy qualities like dedication, kindness, patience, and sacrifice. A social worker is a very polite person. By doing social work, he tries to reform the society. A social worker not only thinks about the welfare of society but also executes many plans in society. Unless the bad things are given up by the people, he or she is restless. He or she keeps patriotic feeling also. Nation is his or her first priority. He or she is against some evil systems like dowry, child labor, child marriage, etc. A social worker does not keep narrow attitude. He is very passionate about the progress of society. He or she believes in service to man is service to God. A social worker takes efforts to make our society united and strong. The social workers like Anna Hazare, Kailash Satyarthi, Medha Patkar, Baba Amte are admired by many. Okay, this is the paragraph and this is the question, not the answer. So, from this question, from this activity, we have to transfer this information given in this paragraph into a non-verbal type. That may be a web diagram, that may be a chart or etc. Any other thing. Okay. So, let's see how to transfer this information into a web chart. Let's draw the web chart. In the center, we will write social worker. And let us draw some bubbles. In those bubbles, we are going to write the qualities of social workers, including patriotism, love and care, patience, selflessness, sacrifice, kindness, dedication, things about welfare of society. So these are the qualities. of a social worker. And this way we can write the answer. Okay. So this is another example of the information transfer, of how to transfer verbal information into non-verbal type. Okay. So did you get it? Okay. So to boost your understanding of this concept, let us read some more examples of information transfer. Here, for your further reading, I am giving you some important examples of information transfer. So, read those examples. Read it very carefully. Both the activities, both the questions and the answers are given. Read them carefully. Okay. So, start reading. So, listen to the music and start reading. In the end, I will tell you the conclusion of this. Okay, so start reading. Go on.